like we got a pretty big job to do here, fellas. Level 1. Choose your hammer. The bash. Outstanding choice. Now, let's get to work. So there's a reason it's called a badass sledgehammer. It could be the unbreakable handle technology, or the safety plate which eliminates the head from dislodging. He's going for another hammer, also a bash. That it's simply better than the best hammer you've ever used, which is badass. Level 2. Make your selection. Nice. Using the bash again. See, no matter the size, it's literally unstoppable. Just check out the anti-vibe neck, which is ergonomically designed to absorb vibration and reduce fatigue. The high-visibility drop-forged head endures the most demanding application and makes it easy to locate. Level 3. Choose wisely. Great job sticking with the bash. Okay, let's go. Time to switch it up. Great choice. The bash dead blow hammer. Okay, let's get back to work. So, as you can see, bash comes in multiple shapes, styles, and sizes. Final level. Choose your hammer. I think I know what you're gonna pick. Ha ha ha, yeah. Okay, let's go. Every bash, including the sledgehammer, is equipped with a firm no-slip grip for more accuracy and control. Strike after strike, the bash simply outperforms any other hammer on the market, which saves time, money, and is much safer. Choose the hammer that's better than the best, and it's guaranteed to be badass.